Dawn rises over endless tobacco fields as workers hand-pick mature leaves swaying in the morning breeze. A single leaf is cut free, dew sparkling on its veins before joining others for transport. Leaves hang in curing barns, slowly shifting from green to warm golden brown. Skilled hands turn the bundles, guiding a natural curing process over several weeks. Trucks unload massive burlap-wrapped bales at the factory receiving dock. A bale is opened, revealing rich Virginia leaves, weighed for quality control. Raw leaves move along vibrating conveyors as air jets remove dust and debris. Optical scanners sort quality leaves, while imperfect ones are diverted away.
Maintain unparalleled quality control.
Leaves enter steam chambers, regaining moisture through controlled conditioning. Softened leaves tumble gently, transformed and ready for processing. Conditioned leaves feed into shredders, emerging as fine, even strands. Golden shreds collect uniformly, engineered for precision and consistency. Shreds merge on conveyors as subtle flavor essences are added. The blend tumbles evenly, crafting a refined and balanced composition. Tobacco is conveyed to the making line and compressed into a smooth mat. Rice paper on spools as machines align and seal the tobacco perfectly. Cigarettes form continuously, wrapped seamlessly at high speed. Filters are cut and attached, each cigarette trimmed to exact length. Slow motion reveals flawless filter joins and perfect balance. Cutters slice rods into singles as lasers instantly reject defects. Hands perform spot checks, inspecting quality under bright light. Cigarettes align into packs, wrapped and sealed with precision. Branding stamps imprint logos, elevating form into luxury. Packs load into cartons, shrink-wrapped and barcoded. Quality teams weigh and inspect samples digitally. A test cigarette burns evenly, smoke flowing smoothly. Finished packs rest on warehouse shelves, perfectly uniform. An open pack reveals neatly arranged cigarettes inside. A single premium pack stands under soft, elegant lighting. The camera pulls back, revealing the full journey from leaf to luxury.